pouring down rain. Finally. Well, it's raining in Dallas. Pouring down. Nice, okay. I've been waiting for this rain all day. Well, at least it waited till I got all my stuff done. And we just got through cooking on the grill. We just got the food in. So we good now. Only thing is my job just called and asked if I could come in to work tomorrow. And I'm supposed to be off. And I was looking so forward to being off tomorrow. I was just saying how happy I was that it was going to rain and that I was going to be off. I just received a message that one of my coworkers is having an emergency and that they need me to come in and work. And that they have 2 major surgeries, it says, that they need help with. So I told them I'd be there. I didn't want to leave the surgeon stuck out. So I'll be there in the morning first thing. The message said if I come in the morning, they'll give me an additional off day during the week. So I'm going to do it. So I'm going to be going to work in the morning. Hopefully the rain will stop by then. And I won't have to drive in the rain. But right now, I'm enjoying it. I love it when it rains. And that's one of my favorite things is to be at home when it rains. Seems like I'm always at work when it rains. I love being at home when it rains. Now, just need to go in there and chill. Find me something good to look at on YouTube and chill. Yup. Maybe y'all can see that rain. Pouring down rain. All the plants are going to be so happy. Slowing down. Didn't last very long. Quick shower. Maybe it'll rain more during the night. Who knows? I'm glad to get whatever rain we get. Thank you, Lord. All right, y'all have a good night. Peace out.